Cargotalk's first ever digital conclave has provided a platform to the industry players to draw the roadmap for the way forward.
This is the right time to work on our initiative to capture this opportunity by being innovative, maximizing the use of skilled labor, bringing precision and perfection in all fields, including manufacturing, good networking and PR strategies, by identifying and using latest technology.
Logistics is a sector which should be operating on the principle of cooperative competition, and that can come only by open platforms. The platform can be set by logistics players, including Cargotalk. Cargotalk can be a good platform.
Post-COVID, we all appreciate that everything is going to change. I only hope that in the future we don't give up our basic goodness. We don't change our basic natures. Please hold on to your goodness. Please hold on to what you've been doing for so long. It is only the way we are doing it is going to change. The why is not going to change. The what is not going to change.
I see logistics costs actually falling, not because of lack of demand. Demand will rise quickly. If you are going to be more efficient, we are going to do better. But yes, if we are going to have more of what we are having today in terms of non-transparency and things like that, logistics costs may hit the roof.
The prices will definitely go up. Our value will increase, our self-esteem will increase. We will now be more careful in drawing out the contracts with our clients. And most importantly, I think each of us needs to respect each other and bring in a lot of self-discipline, because it is we who went out and told the market that we can work on credit.
If there is more space, rates are down by the airlines and shipping lines, the prices will go down. But if there is a scarcity of capacity like these days, very few airlines are coming. And these airlines are demanding their own rates. Because we do not have space, we have to accept those rates. So those are the things we have to see, demand and supply. The way we are going after COVID-19, logistic is going to boom. That's what I can say. It's a matter of another 4 months, 6 months, but next year I have all the, hope that we are going to do great.
Our ports need to be much cheaper than what they are, and not by a factor of 5% or 10%, but by a factor of 600%.
What is upsetting is that we are still asking what is the government going to do post-COVID. I think the time is for us to tell the government this is what we want you to do post-COVID.